Hi friends, how are you? Welcome to this video. Today we are going to take a look at the netstat command. Netstat is a command line utility that can be used to list the network, or you can say the interface connection of a system. It will list out the TCP UDP sockets connections as well as the Unix socket connections, and we can check which ports are open and what you can say connections are going on, what connections are active, and on what ports the system is listening. So we check the options. We have the following options for netstat: our route, I interfaces, G group, statistics. You can go through all these options here. Now first important thing is to check for the interfaces. If I check for if config, I have two interfaces on my system. One is the local host and other is the wireless LAN. I can have the same information if I do netstat IE, that is the interfaces, and is extended. So netstat IE is actually giving me the same output as if config. So if I do just netstat IE, I will see that we have two interfaces, localhost and wireless LAN, and this is the minimum transit unit MTU, and this is all the details for the interfaces that I have. So we can check the interface with either if config or netstat IE command. Next, if we want to check all the connections, we can just do netstat A, and it will show me these are the Unix connections, and you can see we have TCP and UDP connections listed on top. If you go scroll it on top, you will have these all are the Linux and TCP and UDP connections here. So I can have the same information if I just use the option T and U, that is for TCP and UDP. So I have following TCP and UDP connections ongoing. Now if I want to grep only for the established, I can just do a grep, and it will give me only the established connections. And in case I want to do not want to show the domain, or you can say the reverse DNS lookup, I would just use an option N, and it will show me the IP address of the required address which the connection is made. Also, if you want to check for any ports which are listening connections, we can just do LNT, and it will give me the ports where the system is listening connections and what is the local host addresses, and this is the state listening. And in case you want to see only all the numeric addresses, and is for numeric addresses, so you can see the IP addresses of all the connections here. So it's same as you can say if you are checking for TCP and UDP addresses. So these are the basic commands that you can do with netstat. It's very helpful for basic troubleshooting of network interfaces, and you can check the IP address, what is your current system's IP address, or if you do if config or netstat, that this is the localhost IP address and this is your IP address for this system, and this is the net mask. Everything you can start you can do basic troubleshooting of your network interface. Hope this basic definition or basic description of netstat command is clear to you. In case you have any questions or feedback, you can just drop them in the comment box and I would be happy to reply. Thanks for watching and have a great day.